Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find these sessions in the Apple Developer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the WWDC button at the bottom of the page. And then scroll down and look for the sessions section and click on the See All button. And as you can see here, you will find all the upcoming sessions on Monday, Tuesday, and during the week. And if you're interested in any of it, you can just click on that and see the detailed description of that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.